Welcome to this technical guide on the HP16. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If you're experiencing a cracked screen on your HP16, you're not alone. This issue often occurs due to accidental drops or pressure on the screen. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, affecting not only the display but potentially other internal components as well. So, let's dive into the repair process. For this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a new LCD screen replacement, and some adhesive tape. Make sure to have these items ready before starting. First, ensure your HP16 is powered off and disconnected from any power source. Using your plastic prying tool, carefully insert it into the seam around the laptop's screen bezel. Gently pry the bezel away from the screen, taking care not to apply too much force, as you don't want to damage the internal components. Once the bezel is removed, you'll see the LCD screen secured by several screws. These screws are typically small Phillips screws, so use your screwdriver to carefully remove them. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. With the screws removed, gently lift the LCD screen from the frame. Be cautious as there are cables connected to the back of the screen. Locate these cables and carefully disconnect them by pulling on the connectors, not the cables themselves. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new LCD screen and connect the cables in the same manner they were attached to the old screen. Once connected, carefully position the new screen back into the frame. Reinsert the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened properly but not overly so, as this may crack the new screen. After securing the screen, take the bezel and snap it back into place around the screen, ensuring it fits snugly. Finally, power on your HP16 and check that the new screen is functioning correctly. If everything looks good, you have successfully replaced your cracked screen. To prevent this issue from happening again, consider investing in a sturdy laptop case and always handle your device with care. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.